Hello all, I am Pooja Singhal, and I always talk about memory, how we can enhance our memory, how we can increase our concentration power and focus and all. Why I always talk about this? Today I am going to share one story with you all. Friends, I am in teaching field from last 10 years. And the very big problem which I was facing is every student have lack of concentration and focus. That's why they retain information in their memory for very short span of time. That's why they are not able to take extra marks or good marks in the exams. So friends, I decided to solve that problem of student and start doing research on the same. Before 3 years, I was in a seminar and the memory coach in front of us is really an amazing person. He asked us to introduce ourselves by telling him our name and hobbies only. We are about to 40 persons there, and each and every person did the same. And at the end, how he amazed us? By telling each and every one's name and hobbies correctly. And really, it fascinates me. We all have same memory. But why some people have that much sharp memory? And I decided at that time to learn the same techniques and apply these techniques in my life, and after that helping people and students who are really facing the same challenge. Friends, okay, let us start with very basic thing. What is memory and how it works? Memory is the ability to remember something that happened in past. What we retain in our mind through our 5 senses, that is our taste, touch, smell, sound and sight. What information we retain from these senses is known as memory. How memory works? Imagine your brain is like a computer and your memory is a software that is installed in that computer. Whenever we want to store any information in computer, then what we do? We actually decide a path like C drive, D drive or desktop where we want to store that information. And next thing is a specific name. हम उस फोल्डर को एक स्पेसिफिक नेम देके मेमोरी में एक जगह स्टोर कर देते हैं. I think we all know about that. And same thing happen with our memories also. यदि हम किसी भी इंफॉर्मेशन को प्रॉपर तरीके से और एक प्रॉपर नाम देके एग्जैक्ट एड्रेस पे अपनी मेमोरी में फिट करेंगे तो उस इंफॉर्मेशन को रिकॉल करने के लिए हमें सिर्फ वो नेम चाहिए. एंड बिलीव मी, ऐसा होता है. हमारे माइंड में बहुत से चैम्बर्स बने हुए हैं और हम उन चैम्बर्स में अपनी इंफॉर्मेशन को एग्जैक्टली कंप्यूटर की तरह स्टोर कर सकते हैं जो अबाउट 10 और 15 ईयर्स के बाद भी आप उसे आसानी से रिकॉल कर पाएंगे. सिर्फ ज़रूरत है तो इन टेक्निक्स को अपनी लाइफ में अपनाने की, समझने की, लर्न करने की. इस सीरीज़ में हम डेली मेमोरी के बारे में सीखेंगे, टेक्निक सीखेंगे। पहले हम बेसिक्स जानेंगे अपने ब्रेन का। सो फ्रेंड्स, if you eagerly want to learn these techniques, then comment please comment below, so that it actually it improve my confidence also. Thank you and have a nice day.